Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to demonstrate how to make Castile soap paste. Castile soap paste is used as a base for making Castile liquid soap, body washes, and many other soap products. It is also sold in its natural form for making DIY soap products. So let's get right into it. First, we add our prepared lye water to measured oils. We blend them together to achieve a light trace, as we will be using the hot process soap method. We will be using a double boiler, however a crock pot is also suitable. After a light trace has been achieved, we cover our vessel with plastic wrap and cover for the duration of cooking. Heat is then applied. After the vessel is heated and the mixture starts to gel, turn the heat to the lowest setting and allow the gelling to progress. No mixing is needed at this stage. When the mixture has fully gelled, stick blend until it is thoroughly mixed, then cover and allow to cook longer. When the paste is translucent and has a Vaseline-like consistency, turn off the heat and leave to sit from anywhere to at least 8 hours or longer. After this, your paste is ready to be packaged as is or diluted into Castile liquid soap. For guides on effective Castile paste dilution, visit our resources section on our website. Thanks for watching.